Hello, and welcome to this presentation on large language models, like ChatGPT, for engineers and contractors. Can we combine these AI tools with building information modeling, drones, scheduling, and cost management to improve construction productivity? What exactly are these large language models? Why should we care about them? They are advanced AI systems trained on vast amounts of natural language data. They can generate text, translate languages, answer questions, and create content, making them incredibly versatile tools for engineers. Large language models use complex algorithms and deep learning techniques to understand the structure and patterns of human language. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and communicate with each other. They can help us solve complex problems and automate mundane tasks. AI can make sense of the massive amounts of data generated by our digital world. Engineers and contractors can benefit from large language models by using them to review documents, contracts, and specs. They can help engineers quickly identify key clauses and terms in a contract, flag potential risks, and ensure compliance with project requirements. AI tools can assist engineers in saving time, reducing errors, and streamlining their workflow, providing better value to clients. Building information modeling is a digital representation of a building's physical and functional characteristics. It allows architects, engineers, and contractors to work collaboratively on a project, share data, and streamline communication. With BIM, construction professionals can identify and address design conflicts, minimize errors, and reduce rework. Drones are another emerging technology that is changing the construction landscape. They offer an efficient and cost-effective way to survey and map construction sites. Drones can monitor progress and ensure compliance with project requirements. Drones can also be used for inspections, identifying potential hazards, and collecting data for 3D modeling. Scheduling and cost management are critical components of any construction project. With AI-powered tools, contractors can develop accurate project schedules, estimate costs, and identify potential delays or bottlenecks. These tools can also help project managers to allocate resources more efficiently, reduce waste, and improve project outcomes. The combination of these emerging technologies with large language models is where the real magic can happen. AI-powered systems can assist in document management, identifying key clauses in terms of contracts, and flagging potential risks. These tools can also help with predictive text completion, document summarization, and sentiment analysis, making communication and collaboration more efficient and effective. AI has the potential to revolutionize the construction industry, but we must ensure that we use these tools responsibly and ethically. We must address issues around transparency, bias, and data quality to avoid negative consequences. The use of emerging technologies in the construction industries is a game changer. BIM, drones, scheduling, and cost management tools, combined with large language models, could make construction safer, cost-effective, and more efficient. The potential benefits are enormous, but we must embrace these technologies responsibly and ensure that we use them to benefit society as a whole. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Let's continue to explore new ideas and technologies that will shape the future of the construction industry. So, is AI the next industrial revolution for the construction industry? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.